Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our grammar lesson, negatives and interrogatives. Let us first understand the negatives. The negative sentences are those sentences which can be made negative by adding not after the helping verb. And if helping verb is not in the sentence, we use do, did, does according to the main verb used in the sentence. But remember that when we use do, did or does, the main verb is changed into V1, the first form of the verb. Let us understand this with the help of some examples. In all these sentences, we have helping verbs. So we have to just put not after the helping verb. See the first example. Priya is working these days. In this sentence, the helping verb is given, that is. So we have to put not after is. Priya is not working these days. See the second example. You were present in the class yesterday. Here the helping verb is were, so just put not after were. You were not present in the class yesterday. Third is, I was absent yesterday. So helping verb is was. So just put not after the helping verb and make the negative. I was not absent yesterday. Now see the last one. They are coming to attend this meeting. So here helping verb is are. So very simple, just put not. They are not coming to attend this meeting. So when helping verb is given, it is very easy. Just put not after the helping verb. Now see the next case. If the sentence is not having helping verb. In this case, we have to use do, did or does according to the main verb. Just see the main verb, what form is of main verb. If the main verb is V1, we will use do. If the main verb is V2, we will use did. And if the main verb is V1 plus S or ES, then we use does. So, we have to put do, did, does, then not, and then the main verb will be changed into first form. Just understand with the help of these examples. First one is Priya works in a bank these days. Now here helping verb, in these sentences helping verb is not there. So we have to check the main verb. Which form is the main verb? Here works is the main verb and the form of verb is V1 plus S. So V1 plus S means we have to use does. So we will put not after does and the main verb works will be changed into V1 work. Okay. So the negative sentence will be Priya does not work in a bank these days. The next one, you play football very well. Main verb is play. This is V1. V1 means we have to use do. So the negative will be you do not play football very well. So again, because this is already in V1, so V1 will remain same in the negative sentence. Next is I like Indian music. Again like is V1, so we have to use do not. So I do not like Indian music. So will remain same in the negative sentence. Last one is they went to attend the meeting on Sunday. Now here the main verb is went. This is V2 form. V2 means we have to use did. So not will come after did and then the main verb will be changed into V1. So what is the V1 of went? Go. So the negative will be they did not go to attend the meeting on Sunday. So you have to check the form of the verb of the main verb. Which form is of main verb and then decide do, did or does. And always remember that whenever we use do, did or does in the sentence, the main verb will always be changed into V1. Now let us see about the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are the questions and have a question mark at the end of the sentence. For example, are you coming with me? Do you brush your teeth daily? So when we ask questions, that type of sentences are interrogative sentences. Let us now see the method or rules for making interrogative sentences. The first is when helping verb is in the sentence. See, there are two cases can be there when helping verb is there, and second case is when helping verb is not in the sentence. So in the first case, when helping verb is there in the sentence, you have to just put the helping verb before the subject and put the question mark in the end. So you can see the syntax here. First helping verb, then subject, then main verb, and then will come the object, and in the end question mark. Now see the second case, when helping verb is not in the sentence. So in this, the method is same which we have used in making negative sentences. We have to use do, did or does according to the main verb, and then put do, did, does before the subject. So if there is helping verb, put it helping verb before the subject, otherwise put do, did, does before the subject, and then change the main verb into V1. You will change the main verb into V1 only if you are using do, did or does. But if helping verb is already given, then there is no need to change main verb into V1. Let us clear our concept of negatives and interrogatives with the help of more examples. Here you can see the table in which the affirmative sentences, means the positive sentences, are changed into negatives and interrogatives. Let us see how. First one is I have a car. Now here have is the main verb, okay, because it is showing you the possession. So because this is the main verb, this is the first form, so we have to use do. So whenever the main verb is first form, then we have to use do. Do in negative and do in interrogative. So in negative we have to use not after do, and in interrogative we have to use do before the subject. So negative will be I don't have a car. So helping verb, in place of helping verb we have used do not, means don't have a car. Interrogative we have to put helping verb before the subject, but here because helping verb was not there, so we are using do. Do I have a car? Now see the next one. You are playing football now. Here helping verb is already given, so very easy. Just put not after the helping verb. You are not playing football now. And for interrogative, put the helping verb before the subject you. Are you playing football now? Next is I have been living here. So helping verb is already given have. So negative will be I haven't been living here. And interrogative will be have they been living here. Only you have to put helping verb before the subject. Have they been living here? See the next one. I lived in London. Here helping verb is not there. So we have to use do, did or does. So out of these three, which one we have to use? For this, we have to see the main verb lived. Now lived is V2. V2 means we have to use did. Did in negative and did in interrogative. So the negative will be I didn't live in London. And interrogative, we have to put did before the subject. Did I live in London? Please notice this, that because we are using did, that's why the main verb lived is changed into live. Next is I was playing. Helping verb is already given. So just we have to put not in the negative, and in interrogative put it before the subject. I wasn't playing. Was I playing? And no change in the main verbs. Next is he had worked. Negative will be he had not worked. Interrogative had he worked. I hope you all have understood the negatives and interrogatives very well. So take care. Bye bye.